Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Anyways, guys, good morning. Yo, I came in yesterday, did everything that I needed to do, and I took a shower and I knocked out. Like, I was so tired because when did I leave? Wednesday? Tuesday night, like the last time I slept was Monday night. Tuesday I went to work and then I had to do stuff on the road and I didn't sleep at all. And like I can't really sleep on flights. Like I can sleep, but I'm not gonna be able to sleep the whole flight. Like once turbulence starts or somebody wakes me up to go use the bathroom. That's why I hate aisle seats. Like I can't go back to sleep. So that was my dilemma yesterday. But I promised that I was going to come back and talk to you guys a little bit about the process, because I know I was concerned with how everything was going to be going. So everybody that went down before me was of great help, but then again, it's still not, nobody really elaborates or really like, you know, explains the process like in great detail sometimes. Yeah, so I just kind of want to share my experience with you guys. For everyone it may be different, but as I mentioned previously when I was filling out the application, there's certain countries on the website that state that you guys have to do certain things prior to coming down. Okay, now you guys seen my travel experience while I was in Toronto up to when I boarded the plane. So you board the plane as normal. The only difference is that you had to show them your travel authorization to board the plane as well. So I did that. Yo, the AC in my throat. But I did that, went on the plane. Everything was good. Air Canada gave us these little packets, right? It came with gloves, it came with hand sanitizer, it came with a mask. Here are the gloves. It came with a mini bottle of water and it came with some wipes. So this was the only thing that we got. They weren't serving food. They weren't walking up and down. Literally, as the plane took off and we descended, they gave us our immigration forms because they wanted people not to really be moving around in the plane too much or whatever. So yeah, for the most part, that's all that happened there. When we landed in Jamaica, they asked us to stay seated because somebody from, I think it was Wellness and Health, or somebody from a health department was going to come and talk to us and let us know what the process was going to be. So she came on the plane. She, you know, basically said that, you know, it's COVID-19, there's a pandemic going on, that we were going to be going through a series of risk assessments or health assessments once we got off the plane, and that it may be subjected to us doing a COVID-19 test. So they said once that we were assessed, they would determine it there whether or not we needed to get tested. All right, so now we come off of the plane, and again, this is Norman Manley International Airport. I don't know the process at Montego Bay Sangsters. Kingston is definitely a much smaller airport in size, and I feel like in terms of travelers as well, because you're not going to find too many tourists that are going to, I'm sorry. You're not going to find too many tourists going to Norman Manley International Airport as you are going to be seeing people going to Sangsters. So I was like not thinking it was going to be too long. But we went in. The first thing that they did was stop us, spray some sanitizer alcohol on our hands, and they gave us a paper. I don't think I have the paper anymore. They took it away. I'll insert the picture because I did send it to my friends. They give you a little slip. You have to write your name on it. And then it had like a list of things on it. And you walk through the doors and they put you in a line. This line was to go in and speak with somebody to do your health assessment, or to ask you like some questions basically. So when you're standing in the line, somebody comes over to you, takes your temperature, fills it out on the sheet, because there's a part there that you put your temperature down. So they put down your temperature, and then like minutes later somebody else comes over and asks you to download the Jam COVID app. So the Jam COVID app is pretty much what you got to use to check in during your quarantine. So this is what the app is. Press it, that's what comes up, right?
I'm Andrew Holness, your Prime Minister, and I want to welcome you to the Jam COVID-19 app and website, an easy-to-use, centralized source of Government of Jamaica COVID-19 information and services. For example, if you are ill with COVID-19 related symptoms, use the self-reporting functionality in the app to inform local health authorities and book an appointment to be tested. There are many Jamaicans stranded overseas who would wish to return home. Use the Travel tab to register for controlled re-entry. We care about you. Please use and share the app to keep yourself and your loved ones informed and coordinated with the national effort. Let us all work together to overcome COVID-19.
Yeah, Andrew, big up yourself. So yeah, they ask you to come, they ask you to download the app. Yesterday, the app, when I was here, the app wasn't working, so they couldn't really show me, I guess, how to navigate or use the app. So yeah, we downloaded it, and then I was in that line for a good while, like at least an hour, if not longer. And you're standing up, so wear comfortable shoes, wear comfortable clothes, all of that kind of stuff. Be comfortable. I know with traveling you're supposed to be comfortable anyways, but a lot of people like to be itty tighty. This is not the time. Be comfortable. Yeah, so once you make it up to the front of the line, the next step again is to go sit down and speak with somebody. So I went and I sat down and I spoke with somebody. They basically asked me, like, you know, my age, if I had any pre-existing illnesses, if I had allergies, where I was staying, my intended address, because every parish has somebody that you have to call every day to let them know that you're okay, and to check in, all of that kind of stuff, let them know that you don't have any symptoms, everything like that. So she gave me a paper. This is what the sheet looks like, and it's a quarantine sheet, or a sheet that I have to fill out for the next 14 days, where I have to put in my temperature every day. So I gotta go to the pharmacy and get a thermometer. I'll be right back, my battery's dying. Sorry guys. Yeah, so as I was saying, the form, they count out the days for you. Oh yeah, I was like, what? Yeah, but they count out the days for you. You have to take your temperature twice a day. Yeah, and then you have to put Y for yes if you're feeling any of these symptoms, or N for no. And then this is the number to call for the parish that I'm currently in, and then when I'm leaving they'll give me a different number to call or whatever, just to keep a report of how I'm feeling for the 14 days. And then they gave me this thing here after making me sign some stuff. I didn't even open it yet. Just pamphlets on how to wash your hands. Okay, so this is just basically about quarantine. That's what I got in here. And they also gave me 2 masks as well. So that was it for that part. So once I left that area, I had to give my little slip to another lady. Yeah, I had to give my slip to another lady, and from there I went over to get my, no, I went over to, sorry, customs, lined up in another line, went, gave my passport, my declaration card, and then I had to go leave from there, stand up in another line that would authorize me to go into where it is that I have to go get my suitcase, thinking like, okay, I'm done now. Nope. Before I went and got my suitcase, I had to sit down in another line, and from there somebody came and showed me how to do the check-in with the Jam COVID app. So I actually had to check in. You have to make a 10-second video, just stating your name, that you're fine, you're not experiencing any symptoms.
Okay, Zoe Brown, I'm okay. I am just checking in to let you know that I am okay.
That's it, sent that off. And then I went and got my suitcase, went and I had to put them on the machine for them, I guess, to like look through, check it, whatever. Did all of that, and then I was outside. I got out of the airport. Let's just say I made it to Jamaica at 12:16. When I got in the car, the time was 2:54. So call it almost 3 hours. That's how long it took. So yeah. So that was my process. That was my experience at this time, going through everything. Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. And they kept asking me like where I was coming from, and I was like, I'm coming from Canada, whatever. So I did not end up having to do the COVID-19 test. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, we didn't have to do it because Canada is not considered a hotspot. And I know that they have been making a lot of changes in terms of doing the COVID-19 testing just because they're so backlogged. So, okay. So, we didn't necessarily have to do it. I don't know if that applied to everybody, but I know for myself, I didn't have to do it. So, yeah, I was really happy about that. Yeah, so that was pretty much it for that. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to comment them down below, or you can send me an inbox on Instagram relating to anything else, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated while I'm here, just in terms of how everything is going in regards to my checking in and all of that kind of stuff, and moving around and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's hot and I don't like AC, but this AC is saving my ass, and it's cutting up my ass too. So yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go watch some TV because I'm quarantined. Babe just went to go see if he can go get something to make breakfast. So when he comes back, y'all can go in the kitchen with Babe. It's been a while. And make breakfast. Okay? He went to the beach. Me va carry on. Me can't go nowhere. Quarantine. But yeah, I'll check in later. I'm gonna call my mama because my mama called me. So bye, guys. Yeah, before I forget to show off. Uwa. Come take one. Get me here? Nice. Whoa, whoa. Okay, bye. Sir, what you doing?
Sure, enough people never acting like this here. So I just said start, you know, before reaching a place.
So what are you doing?
Oh, I make ackee and saltfish.
No, actually, I make this the way I do.
I pick ackee. specifically. You want the specific?
So when you pick the ackee, you don't pick it from a tree. It's not on a tree, so you pick it still.
That's when you pick it from the tree and you pick it out of the pot. Why? The trad. Take it out of the trad, you know?
Can't be there, but they will be there for whatever is going to happen. As long as the flight them going and they're really expensive and so, but you know, we have to.
I know.
We don't know what we're doing.
I know. It's the same thing over. I think they're doing it that way because they're trying to neglect people from traveling.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
indirectly.
You don't know what, we don't know what is going to happen.
Exactly.
Winter, despite may come back winter, so you know it's best that you can do what you're doing now. Yes, so I am so excited for this.
Oh gosh.
Alright, let me talk to Joel.
Alright, hold on 1 second.
What time is this nice breakfast?
He is, he's making ackee and saltfish.
Oh, lovely.
A fried dumpling.
Alright, hold
fried
on.
dumpling.
That's good. That's good.
Babe,
Alright.
all of them some here is raw.
Joel.
Here.
I'm going to rush the stove. I'm going to fry them. Yeah, man.
Joel.
Yeah. Yes, mom. You're not hearing me. The phone any problem. Okay. Alright.
I'm so mad. I felt like I was recording this whole time and I wasn't. So anyways, went outside today to go get a thermometer. Just got back inside because I need a thermometer to do my check-ins, but I was unsuccessful. Fontana didn't have any. So tomorrow when we go up, I'm gonna have to see if I can get a thermometer. But I'm gonna do a quick haul and show you guys what we got because babe is gonna cook dinner today. I'm gonna make breakfast tomorrow before we leave. And yeah. I got some lunch because I've been sleeping all day, you guys. Like I got up today literally at like 1 o'clock, like fully like 1 o'clock I got up. But I got a zinger. So lunch is brought to you in part by KFC chicken. Our chicken isn't made the fast way or the easy way, it's made the hard way. Talk to us nice. So yeah, zinger. I got a zinger box. So zinger, y'all, KFC's coleslaw, some fries and chicken. Spicy chicken. Yeah, girl. For everybody who was on my Instagram talking about, you know, go block me and all these things. Okay, so everything that we bought today, we went to Progressive. Everything we buy today came up to about $6 grand. So that's roughly about $60. So we got some melon. This was $155. Some watermelon. Babe always use this and I was like, yo, I never seen that a day in my life. More and try it when I come back, whatever. Comment down below if you guys have ever tried yellow melon. They have two. They have this yellow one and they have a deeper yellow melon. Me can't wait to try this. And this was $153.50. So really excited to try that. This one never buy a Progressive, but we got some chicken, mixed parts. Bag of rice. I think I don't even know what the receipt. I'm gonna show the receipt right here. So right now. So sorry. We got some seasoning, we got some salt. Can't cook anything without Maggi. We got all-purpose and fish. Better part curry powder. Yeah, I think he's gonna make some curry chicken. Now, y'all know me, Perry. I'm quite Perry to me, yeah. So I have been watching all of his vlogs, especially the ones during quarantine. Well, not especially, but obviously during quarantine we have more time. But most of his cooking stuff where he used the sausage, he used the Bad Dog sausages. So I said if there's anything that I need, like frankfurters, aka hot dogs, or anything like that for him, I'll go try, see if I can find it. So I went in the store today, seen it, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna mash this up with my egg tomorrow morning. I'm gonna make my breakfast burrito them. I'm gonna make breakfast burritos tomorrow morning for us on the go. It's easy, simple, quick. So I'm gonna buy the Bad Dog jerkburg sausage. Excited about this. This was about, if I'm not mistaken, either $500 or $600. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. We get some pop chow. Yo, I love how they actually spell it. You know, it's bok choy, but I love how them actually spell it as like pop. Then I say pop chow, but on here it says pak chow. This was $110 and 60 cents. I got the tortilla wraps for my wraps. That's before, December. Yeah. We got a wine, you know, so I can wine. This one is the mango strawberry arbor mist. We get a it's not Lifespan, surprisingly, because I know so that's how we'll be a drink, but we get a water. We get some scallion and some thyme. We got some shredded cheese. We got some butter. And we got some cheddar cheese, some white cheddar cheese. This was $97.60. So excited to try this one, you guys. You guys know I love the sour one. Don't really fancy the lemon one too much, but the melon, I'm excited to try this. One little jug of vegetable oil, mango carrot juice. Listen, if you don't want to sponsor me when I come to Jamaica, holla at me. But yeah, my iCool strawberry, banana, and mango berry. I mean, hear about mango berry, melon berry. And babe got me a mini one. And Schweppes, if you want to sponsor me. Me say Schweppes and Schweppes to me. If you guys don't come to Jamaica and drink Schweppes or Ting, what? Yeah. And that was it for our haul. Box empty. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put all these things away that we don't need to use right this second. And then go upstairs and consume my KFC. Oh, and I got a Black Forest cake for $60. I can hear Babe's car. So fruits tomorrow, breakfast wrap. Yeah, girl. Are you that girl? Yo, I don't know if I showed the vlog, but hello, you guys. I'm in Jamaica. What? like during a pandemic.
Yeah.
I'm in Jamaica, bro. Like, whoa, come in there and chat to you.
Yeah, that's how she's on pause. They chat to me there. I'm going to pause, yeah?
Why are you turning off the light? So yeah, people, I ate that for the all. So there. Let me put the butter in my fridge. So I'm gonna go consume my food, and then if anything later, me come back and talk to you. Okay? Bye.
I'm good.